Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Chiclenzuela. Today I'm gonna be talking about PicsArt, and before I start talking about PicsArt, I wanna say that I really hate talking English. Hey, I'm just doing this because the first two videos I did it in English, right? So I want to continue doing the same thing, at least until I finish the video editing or picture editing and videos. So once I finish with this, hey, vuelvo español, because I really hate talking in English. But anyway, so now, hey, so I'm using the Samsung Dex because I have my cell phone connected to the computer right now. So let's go to PicsArt. Hey, just so you guys know, so this is the time that I went to Paris, and I did this with another app, not with PicsArt, but I will talk about that later. But anyway, let's go to PicsArt. So once we're there, so okay, so this is something that I just did, but today we're not gonna be talking about this. I can talk about this later. So the first thing you have to do if you want to make a picture or a video, because in here you can see you can do videos, but like I say in one of the videos, I don't mess with that because if you have the crown, it's premium and I haven't paid this app, so I don't mess with that. So today, I don't know if you guys have been following me on Instagram, but one of the pictures that I just did like recently, oh, this is some picture that I just did this. So today I'm just gonna talk about this picture. So the first thing that I did, I downloaded this picture on Google. This handsome guy, the ex-president Bush. So you can crop a picture, you can cut the picture, you can do a bunch of things, but on this occasion we're not gonna cut this picture. This is what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna go to tools, we're gonna go to clone, and once we're there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clone this section over here. It doesn't matter what, because after we clone it, we're gonna change it again, but we're gonna choose this part here. It's kind of like okay, and then once we choose the area, it's gonna change automatically to the brush. We can change the size over here or the hardness. Most of the times I use it like this, and I'm gonna move the size a little bit so it's faster. So I did this with the S Pen, so it's way easier than with the mouse. But just so you guys can know what I did, so I'm gonna do it like this. So once you get the spot correct, then you keep moving, and then you keep like brushing like this. I'm telling you, with the finger or with the S Pen, it's way easier. I'm just doing it fast so you guys can know what I did. Okay, you keep doing this. Just want to do it fast, because if not, if I do it with a pen to try to do it like perfect, I will take time. But anyway, now that we did this, we save it here. So we already finished with, for now, we already finished with this picture. So now we're gonna save it. We save it, there you go. Save it to the device, done, pa-pow. No, I don't want TikTok. So now that we did that, now we're gonna go to another picture. So this picture, where is it? Pictures, okay, all my photos. So this picture, my nephew sent it to me. This is my dad, my awesome dad. And so he sent me these three. So I'm gonna choose, he sent me these four. So the one that I choose was this one. So now on this one, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go to tools. Now we're gonna go here to free crop. And in here, it gives you the options to person, face, hair, and all that stuff. I recommend not to use it, because if you use it, maybe it's gonna crop the face, but sometimes it takes more from the sides. And once you put that picture in the other picture, it's gonna have like the lines, and it doesn't look like natural, it doesn't look good. So I prefer to use the brush and just brush it. So something that you can do with your cell phone is that you can put the picture bigger, and once you do that, you can go by detail, like line by line, and try to let's see, that's too big. So you can move the size here. So if you put it bigger, you can go line to line and try to make it like almost perfect or perfect if you can. So because you just want the face and that's it. Let's say for example we already got it, right? There you go. We got the face. I think that will work. We got the face there. Then you go here to this arrow. Bam, there you go, the face. It looks crappy, I'm telling you, because I'm using the mouse. But anyway, you save it and it's gonna save in my stickers. So now that you already save it, you don't need it no more because it's already saved in stickers. Now you go over here while you just save this one. You know what, this one looks better. I did this earlier. This one looks better. Okay, now that you already did this, now you go to the stickers. If you didn't save it on stickers, then you can, like, you have to save it and you're gonna find it here on add apps, add photos, my bad, add photos. But it's already saved in stickers. You go there to stickers, you go to my stickers, cutouts. Here you go, here you go. Gonna use that. You put it here, then you put it kind of bigger, and then you try to adjust it a little bit so it looks like natural. You see that like this eye is lower than this one. You can move it a little bit like this. You see the line? So now you can move like that and it looks like kind of straight. Forget about this blue line, because if you follow the blue line, you're not gonna make it good. So you have to move a little bit. Let's say for example, bam, there you go. You can make it a little bit bigger like this. I move everything. So you can move, you can press this dot here. You're gonna make it bigger, just to, I don't know, to adjust it a little bit so it looks better. So once we did this, the other step, right? So you press here to accept the sticker. And what I did, I went to the effects, and if I'm not mistaken, the filter that I was using, it was a Dodger, I think. Yeah, so the filter is gonna take the entire picture. So what you have to do is go here to the eraser, and you're gonna erase everything so it looks like normal. Like no one's gonna know, but you know. So just erase everything. So what you're trying to make is the face to look like kind of dark, like the picture, like kind of old. So now that I already did that filter, the face starting to look a little darker. So I accept. Then you can choose from all these filters over here. If I'm not mistaken, I did it a couple of days ago. So then you can go to vintage. No, not vintage. It doesn't look good. Let me see. Maybe this one. We can choose this one for now. But then you erase everything again, because you don't want that in the picture. And once you erase everything, I don't know, the face starting to look like kind of dark, like the picture, like the painting. Now you can save it. The other way that you can do it, but if you do it like this, it would have to be different, because you can go to tools, and here you can adjust like contrast, clarity, all this stuff. But if you do it like this, you're gonna change all the picture. So if you want to do it like this, you have to change first the face, then cut it, and then put it here. But the thing is, if you do it like that, like how you gonna know, unless you have a picture here and a picture here, how you gonna know that it's gonna fit? So that's why I prefer to do it like that. Like you can do it however you want. It's up to you. And that's it. So this is the, I don't want to say this. It looks ugly. Yeah, discard. Please discard that. But no, so you guys can see, this is the one that I did. That it looks better. I think I can still work with it because it's kind of shiny over here, and I prefer it to be like, if it looks like kind of darker, it will look better. I think I can improve it. And the hair over here is too bright. I think I can fix it a little bit. Everything else over here, I like it. I think I just can fix like this part over here, maybe another day. So the other thing, I haven't posted on Instagram, but I will do it. It was this one. I think I posted because I recreate this one because when I did it the first time I didn't have the S Pen, so it was more difficult, and now it's looking better. So what I did with this one, it was different. So I download this picture from Google, and my niece, she took a picture. I don't know where is it. So she took a picture like in the Chicago elevator that is in Crystal, like doing this. And what I did, so now in here is that you go to tools, you go to free crop, and then you use the brush and you brush everything. So it took me a minute because you see the hair, all the details, and even though you can see these white lines, that's what you don't want. You don't want that to see in the picture. Then the people is gonna know that, oh, this shit is fake. So if this is the thing, right? So if you choose person, oh, it's taking a minute. So yeah, it shadows everything, but you see these spots over here, they're not shadow. And it's not gonna look good because it's not gonna cut it. So then you have to go to the brush. And the thing is that, let's say for example, I got the entire picture over here with the elevator and everything. If I select the person, sometimes it takes like from the picture, and you don't want that. You just want like the person. So I did that, and I'm not gonna do it again. So then I went to here. This is the picture that I download on Google. Then you go here, add photos. No, my bad. Add stickers, because it was also a sticker. You go to my stickers, cutouts, and it's gonna show up here. There you go. This is the one that I did. You select the sticker whenever you want. Oi. Okay, there you go. So damn, now it looks cooler because it looks like she's like dead. There's no rescue. Superman cannot do nothing. So the way that I put it was like this bigger, like she recently fall from the building. Yeah, I put it bigger because you see this part here is cut. So to make it like more realistic, I put it like this, closer to the image, so like you guys cannot see this. But now I'm thinking if you make it smaller, you barely can see. Like you have to really pay attention on the foot to see. No, yeah, you can see it. You can see it. So it's better if you put it bigger, like this, and then there you go. You put it closer here to the border so no one can see it, and it's gonna look like if I didn't do nothing else on the image. I didn't put it darker, no filters, no nothing. I just leave it like that. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I will edit it. I don't know. Maybe I will do something on the picture, but that's it, guys. I'm not gonna show on this video everything you can do on PicsArt, because you can see over here all the options that you had to edit pictures. Like I already say, if you don't have a Note 10 or a Note whatever, you can buy a pen, so it's easier if you really like to do this. That's why this is one of the reasons that I buy the S10, because I can use the pen and it's way easy. So if you like the video, please press a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I already opened the Facebook page so you guys can follow me there, and stay tuned for more videos of Chiclenzuela. Chequeamos!